students will go for next concept. Before going to the next concept, I will take one example. Suppose 10 men can do a work in 30 days. If there are 15 men working, they do in how many days? We worked out more or less all we worked out. But we have to note whether all 10 men will work in the same way. Is it possible? If there are 5 boys, do you agree all 5 boys will not work in one may be more efficient, one may be slow, one will work for some time, one will not work. If this is the case where one person's efficiency is different, we cannot go by your direct and indirect proportion problems. We have to go by time and work. Where the efficiency will differ, then the time taken or the work done in the given span of time will change. Let us, to illustrate, I will take one example. Let us consider, let us consider this example. This room is to be painted. If worker A is there, double coating painting is to be made. If A alone is there, he will paint in 30 hours. How many hours? A alone will paint in 30 hours. Let us take this example. This room has to be painted. There is a painter A. If painter A alone does this painting work, double coating everything, proper painting, he will take 30 hours. A alone will take how many hours? 30 hours. Let us also consider there is another painter, little quicker in doing the work, little more efficient. How do you say efficiency? That fellow has to take less hours. B alone can paint it in 24 hours. A alone can paint in 30 hours, B alone can paint in 24 hours. Now, this is exactly the same question you have, problem number 15. Let us look at that problem 15. A does a certain work in 30 hours, B does in 24 hours. How long A and B take working together? It means now the management decided should be painted very early. This side A is painting, this side B is painting. If both of them are painting together, very fast they are doing, in order to finish very less span of time, if they work together, how many days, how many hours will be taken? This is where a classic example of time and work. Repeat again, A in 30 hours, B in 24 hours, both are individually operating. If both are painting, this side A is painting, this side B is painting. Both of them are working together, that painting will complete in how many hours? How many days? If it is a question in days, how many days? Here in hours you have to answer. Student, to work out this, you have to remember only simple technique. What is the technique? It is a technique of reciprocal. Example, the book is there, you will read entire one story book in 2 days. Student, to answer my question, in 1 day, how much you read? Entire book you read in 2 days. In first day, how much you read? Definitely you will answer will be what? 2 days you read the one book. In first day, how much you read? What is your answer? Isn't it your answer as half? It means half, first day you read half. 2 I given, but you said half. Suppose if you say you will read that chapter in 10 hours, in first hour how much you read? 1/10th portion. If there is a tap which is to fill the water tank, if it is open, it will fill in 15 minutes. Now the question, in 1 minute how much portion is filled? 1/15. Student, it is all about reciprocal. Time and work problem, make in your notebook, it is a concept of reciprocal. Big bold you write, technique you have to remember is reciprocal. If you do the reciprocal, you will get the answer, that's all, nothing else. Here I say A can paint in 30 hours. So, can you say in 1 hour, A paint how much portion? 30 hours to do complete painting. In 1 hour it will be, in 1 hour A completes how much portion of the work, my dear students? It is 1/30 portion. In 1 hour A completes 1/30 portion. In 1 hour, similarly B completes, B is a little more efficient fellow, he will complete in 24 hours. In 1 hour, reciprocal of 24, 1/24 portion. 1/30 and 1/24. If both are working together in 1 hour, A and B together, A plus B in 1 hour, how much they complete? A's portion 1 by 30, B's portion 1 by 24. Therefore, in 1 hour, if they work together, they will complete what portion is what we have to know. So, 30 and 24, we have to take LCM. LCM will be 120. 34 is a 120. 24 5 is a 120. So, your answer will be 9 by 120. You can take divide by 3, 3 3 is a 340 is a 3 by 40. In 1 hour, A and B together can complete 3 by 40 portion. But our work is, if they work together in 1 hour, they complete 3 by 40. To complete the full, how many hours they take? I will put it this way. In 1 day, you could read quarter of the textbook. Quarter means 1 by 4 portion of the textbook. In 1 hour, if 1 day if you can read 1 by 4 portion, to complete how much you take? 1 by 4 portion in 1 day, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 4 times, 4 days you require. Same way, A and B together in 1 hour they complete 3 by 40. Again, to complete the full work, they require A and B together, takes, what you should do? Full work means, again this answer we should take reciprocal. If at all it still got little confused, we will put it this way. In 30 hours they complete, in 1 hour 1 by 30 portion, 1 by 24. So, can we read reverse? In 1 hour 1 by 30 portion he paints, to make it full painting 30 hours. Same 1 by 24 in 1 hour, so it is 24 hours. A and B together 3 by 40 portion means A and B together can complete the full work in reciprocal of this answer 40 by 3. That is 13 3 is a 39, 13 1 by 3 hours. If it is days, you have to say days. You still want to be specific, 13.33 hour or 13 hours. This decimal we can make it as 0.33. 1 by 3 is how many minutes? 1 by 3 into 60, it will be 20 minutes. So, last concluding answer, A and B together if they paint in just 13 hours 20 minutes. So, just glancing again, A completes in 30 hours, in 1 hour 1 by 30, B 1 by 24. Together means add it, you got the answer. To complete the full work, how many hours they take? 3 by 40 reciprocal. First you do reciprocal, add, subtract, last answer again reciprocal. So, finally shall we remember like this? Reciprocal, do some addition, subtraction, again if you do reciprocal, your answer is ready. That is all this time and work. Any kind of problem you go by reciprocal technique. Student, have you noted that? Reciprocal is a key thing in time and work. We will go for next problem. Similar to this, we have 16th question. A can complete a work in 20 days, B can complete in 30 days, C can do it in 40 days. If all of them working together, in how many days the work will be completed? So, it is 20, A 20, B 30, C 40. Students, how do you do it? Directly we can write in this is in so many days. In 1 day, A completes what portion? It is 1 by 20 portion. You also have to write along with me. B can complete 1 by 30 portion. C can complete 1 by 40 portion. If all of three working together, therefore, in 1 day, this is A alone working. If A 1 by 20 is nothing but 5%. If A does 5% work, B alone, C alone does around 2.5, around 3.33. If all three means it is 5%, it is 3.33, it is 2.5. I have to add these percentages. Same here, what I should do is I have to add those fractions. In 1 day, you have to add 1 by A's work 1 by 20, B's work 1 by 30, C's work 1 by 40. LCM for 20, 30, 40 is 120. 26 34 43. So, it is 13 by 120. Therefore, in one day all three working together 13 by 120 portion. Now I want to know, I would like to know if 3 working together daily 13 by 120, 13 by 120, in how many days that will get over. So you just have to do reciprocal of this, that is 120 by 13 days they take. Simplifying, 13 9s are 117, so 3 by 13 days. This many days, or you can write in decimal also, it becomes 9.23. 9.23 days they take. So what did you do? Nothing, 1 by 20, 1 by 30, 1 by 40. All three together add it. Whatever you got the answer, just do the reciprocal, we will get the final answer. Students will look for full length problem. This question number 17. 2 taps can fill a cistern in 24 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Drain pipe can drain off 30 liters per minute. If all the 3 pipes are opened, cistern fills it in 60 minutes. What is the capacity of the cistern or tank? Now, let us assume a situation. Your mom told one Sunday afternoon, all finishing reading everything, mom told you to clean the tank, overhead tank. There were overhead tank, let me write it to get an idea. There are 2 taps attached to it. So tap A we will call, tap B. There is one tap which is the drain pipe, or tap C, which will empty the entire water content outside. What they say in the question, 2 taps are there. Tap A alone can fill in 24 minutes. If you make tap A alone open, it can fill in 24 minutes. Tap B alone open, it can fill in 40 minutes. It takes more time. It means this force is very high. 24 minutes it will fill, whereas this will be little slow. 40 minutes it will take to fill the tank. If the water content is full, there is a full tank, the pipe C, drain pipe, will empty the entire water content of cistern in how many minutes? Not given, we don't know. But it says if all 3 are opened, your mom says you clean the tank. You open, entire the tank, cleaned it with the help of all whatever the available water, you cleaned it and drained off. Complete, very clean tank. But unfortunately, you forgot to close the tap A, tap B and tap C. After some time, municipal water is flowing in. Municipal water is flowing in, both the taps are on, and unfortunately tap C is also on. Even this also draining of the water contents. So 2 are filling, 1 is emptying it. Now question says, since all the 3 are opened, the entire tank, the cistern, will fill in how many minutes? Can you answer it by looking at the question? It will fill in 60 minutes. You may raise the question, how come sir it is emptying, no chance of filling? No. The water content of the falling, the force of this pipe A and pipe B is higher, so that the 2 taps are filling, 1 is emptying, and the emptying portion will be lesser. Therefore, at one point of time, all the 3, even though it is opened, all the 3 together, there is one point where in 60 minutes the tank will be full. Question to you also given, this is emptying at the rate of 30 liters per minute. How much? 30 liters per minute. If so, what is the capacity of the tank? Capacity of the system, that will hold how many liters? I think the question is very clear. Students will answer like this. So, if all 3 are opened, how many minutes? 60 minutes. This is one extra details. This will fill in 24 alone, 40 minutes alone. This we don't know. This is not the minutes. It will emptying 30 liters per 1 minute, 30 liters it will be exhausting. So, we don't know how many minutes it will exhaust, that is different, but the rate it is emptying is 30 liters per minute. So, question is what is the capacity? It will hold how many liters? We will answer slowly. Being 5 mark question, clearly look at this way. Tap A will fill in 24 minutes. Tap B will fill in 40 minutes. The drain pipe, which I called as C here, which will empty it in how many minutes? This is the capacity, this is the rate at which it is emptying it. It is not given, this will empty the whole tank. If the tank is full, if only this is opened, in how many minutes it will empty, we don't know. I will call it as X minutes. Now, in 1 minute, students, can you answer? A fills 1 by 24, B will fill 1 by 40 portion, A fills 1 by 24 portion, B will fill 1 by 40 portion, whereas C emptying entire water content in X minutes. In 1 minute, it will empty 1 by X portion. If all 3 are opened on Sunday afternoon, forgot to close the water, all the 3 taps, in 1 minute, then 1 by 24 plus 1 by 40, whereas that is emptying it, no, it is minus 1 by X, which is equal to, it is given in the question, if all 3 are opened, in 60 minutes this tank will be full. Therefore, in 1 minute, 1 by 24, 1 by 40 minus 1 by X will be equal to, in 60 minutes it will be full, in 1 minute it will be 1 by 60 portion. Our work is minus 1 by X will be plus 1 by X. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60 will be minus 1 by 60. LCM is 120. 24 5s are, 40 3s are, 60 2s are, is equal to 1 by X. So, it is 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2, 6 by 120, which is equal to, if we simplify, 6 1s are, 6 20s are, 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by X. Student, carefully if you compare it, we will arrive at X is equal to 20 minutes. It means, if the drain pipe C alone opened, if these 2 are closed, if there is a full tank of water, then the entire water contents will be emptied by the drain pipe C in 20 minutes. If there are 2 ways the question paper setter may ask you. In how many minutes the drain pipe C alone will empty the whole tank? Answer is 20 minutes. Question is not that. What is the capacity of this tank? That is what they said. So, the entire water content is emptied in 20 minutes. At 1 minute, what is the rate of emptying it? 1 minute, it empties 30 liter. 1 minute, 30 liter is out. Therefore, in 20 minutes, it will be 20 minutes into 30 minutes, 30 liters per minute. 30 liters per minute. Therefore, every 1 minute, if it is full tank, will be empty in 20 minutes. Thus, I think it is well taken. 1 minute, 30 liters out. Therefore, 2 minutes, 60. 20 minute means 600 liters out. Full tank of 600 liter, if it is there, it will be 20 minutes, 30 liters per minute. Now, if you have 20 minutes time, where every 1 minute 30 liter out means in 20 minutes 600 liter of full water content will be outside. Therefore, the question to you, what is the capacity of the cistern that can hold 600 liters of water? Student, I will summarize quickly again, being an important problem. 24 minutes, 40 minutes, this we do not know, we have taken X minutes. 1 by 24, 1 by 40, 1 by X. These 2 are filling, add it, this is emptying it, minus. What is this 1 by 60? Entire water, the entire tank will be full in 60 minutes. Again reciprocal, 1 minute it will be 1 by 60 portion full. Therefore, bring this minus 1 by X this side, solve it. We will get 1 by X equal to 1 by 20. X equal to 20 minutes. As you have 24, 40, what is this X you have taken? No, that means a full tank will be emptied in 20 minutes. Every 1 minute 30 liter it can empty. Full tank 20 minutes at the rate of 30 liters per minute, 20 into 30, 600 liters of water will be out. I think this we can conclude here about time and work. We will go for next one.